Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious BBQ ranch sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite ranch dressing and 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for that extra depth. For the perfect seasoning, grab 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and just 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start mixing our base. Take a medium-sized bowl and pour in 1 cup of ranch dressing. Next, add 1/2 cup of your preferred barbecue sauce. This combination forms the creamy foundation of our sauce. Then, carefully measure and add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk these 3 wet ingredients together until they are completely smooth and well integrated. This ensures a consistent texture before we introduce our spices. With our wet ingredients perfectly blended, it's time to introduce the wonderful spices that will elevate our BBQ ranch sauce. Carefully add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This provides a lovely smoky depth. Next, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, which brings a fantastic savory aroma. Finally, for a gentle warmth, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until the spices are evenly distributed throughout the sauce. Our delicious BBQ ranch sauce is almost ready. Give it one final, good whisk to ensure all the flavors are perfectly integrated. Now, cover your bowl and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a richer, more harmonious taste. Once chilled, your homemade sauce is ready to be enjoyed with your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.